Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to make websites ask for notification permission on Google Chrome for PC, following the latest updates. If you want to control how sites interact with you, this is a crucial feature to master. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your applications. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Next, navigate to the site you want to adjust. Type the website's address in the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the site where you want to manage notification permissions. Now that you're on the site, look for the site information icon located next to the web address in the address bar. This icon typically looks like a padlock or an information symbol. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window displaying various permissions and settings related to that specific website. In the Site Settings menu, locate the section labeled Notifications. Here, you will see different options regarding how notifications are handled by this site. To change the notification preference, find the option next to Notification. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Ask. This setting will ensure that whenever this site wants to send you notifications, Chrome will prompt you first for permission. Once you've made this selection, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes will be saved automatically. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Google Chrome to ask for notification permissions from specific websites. This allows you to have more control over which sites can send you alerts and notifications, enhancing your browsing experience while keeping unwanted distractions at bay. If this video helped you out, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks on navigating technology effectively. Thank you for watching.